everyone. We're going to do now today Toothless. Going to start with his head. So we're going to make a curve or a C, you can say, a small C. And watch how I make the bottom bit. So it's a roundish curve for his face. Go. We're going to make ears for Toothless. So a straight line up, curving upwards, and the same thing on the other side. We're going to bring it down with a curve and watch how I make the curve. And he has two horns, so they're going to be upside down V's, but with a curve. He has sideways pointy stuff, so we do one and then we do one small one. Same thing on this side. We make one big curve and then another one which is slightly small. Good job. We're going to make his nose right in the center of his face. We're going to make an upside down C, a very tiny one. We're going to make two nostrils for him. Now we're going to make his big, bright, shiny eyes. So watch how I make this, okay? So it's going to be upwards curve, and same thing you do it on the other side of his nose, so it's the same shape. And then from below we're going to make another curve and another curve. Now watch how I curve this inside, okay? So it's going to be around and around. So we've made nice bright eyes. Inside his eye, gonna make another curve and another curve. And we're gonna now start leave two big rounds. So make a white circle, make another circle in there, and then you make a small dot over here. Actually the circle is over here, so make another big circle here and then make a small circle here. So it's actually matching. I'm gonna make some corrections there. Make the body a curve on either side of the chin or the jaw. And we're going to make a slant and a slanting line going downwards, and we're going to try and make his forelegs. So watch how I curve on either side. And then we're going to do one more line to complete his leg. So one curve and another curve. So that's his front legs. make those lines for the legs. Then we're going to curve it in, join those two lines, and then make semicircles. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3. I'm going to join it in the middle by his body, and at the back end we're going to make a line and a line, and then join this, and then make 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 bumps.
With other feet.
Yeah, now we're going to make the spots that he has. So make a black circle, then one slightly tiny, and then another tiny circle. So we make another black circle and a black circle and a tiny one, and then a tiny one. So he has some spots. Same thing on the forehead. We're going to make an oval shape spot and another oval shaped spot below it, and then another oval shaped spot, and then one last tiny one. So those are the spots. Same thing on the ears. We'll make round circles. So one big circle, make one small circle. You can make of your choice wherever you want, but he has spots on both his ears. Now we're going to finish. Last thing are the wings, because he knows
He's a
to fly.
dragon.
Go up, go upwards on either side of the legs, and then bring it down like a V or a wave. And now watch, this is tricky. So we're going to make slight small curves like V's, like a winged 1, 2, and 3. Then 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And then inside this, we're going to repeat and follow the shape. So watch, follow the shape of the curve, follow the shape of the curve. Not all the way, but leave some spot there. And then join it to the edge like a triangular shape. Okay. And we're going to make lines going to the web. So watch how I make that. One line and one line. One line and one line.
One line and one line.
So we finished drawing, and
Toothless.
yeah, and we are now going to color him.
He just has like a little bit of color.
So we're going to start with the ears, which are light gray on the edges. And you can use a color pencil. This time we are using color pencils to color.
much for you. Have a good day, friends. Come for next Learn to Draw. See you later.